After an intense soccer session, it's time to cool down and give your body the recovery it deserves. In just 5 minutes, we'll focus on releasing tension, improving flexibility, and helping your muscles recover faster. You don't need any equipment, just find a quiet spot on the grass or turf and let's unwind. These stretches are gentle and static, targeting the muscles you've worked hard on the field. Are you ready, fam? Let's hit the mat. Start by standing tall, feet hip-width apart. Inhale, then exhale as you fold forward, letting your hands reach towards your toes. From here, sweep your hands side to side, gently along the ground. This stretch helps release tension in your hamstrings, calves, and lower back, all areas that take a beating during sprints and quick stops. Let gravity do the work as your body relaxes deeper into the stretch. Slow the movement now, focusing on the stretch as you sweep your hands one last time across your feet. Stand tall again, with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Place your right hand on your hip and stretch your left arm overhead, leaning gently to the right. Feel the stretch along your left side body, releasing tension from quick turns and sudden pivots. Switch sides now. Place your left hand on your hip, right arm overhead, and lean to the left. Each breath allows the stretch to deepen, easing tightness through your ribs and obliques. Hold steady for one final breath, feeling your torso lengthen and relax. Step your right foot forward into a lunge position, with your left foot angled slightly out behind you. Lift your arms overhead, reaching tall while keeping your hips square. This stretch targets your left hip flexor and quads, key muscles used for running and kicking. Sink a little deeper into the lunge with each breath, letting your body relax while still feeling strong and grounded. Hold steady, letting the stretch release tension from your lower body before switching sides. Now step your left foot forward, with your right foot angled out behind you. Reach your arms overhead, feeling the stretch through your right hip flexor and quads. Use your breath to soften into the stretch, allowing your body to unwind after the game. One last breath here, feeling balance and release through your legs before we move into the final stretch. Bring your feet slightly wider than hip-width apart and lower into a deep squat. Keep your heels grounded and your elbows pressing gently against your knees to open up your hips. Shift your weight side to side, letting your inner thighs and hips stretch fully. This stretch is perfect for releasing tightness in your lower body while improving mobility and flexibility. Take slow, deep breaths, letting your body sink deeper into relaxation with each exhale. Hold steady in the center now, feeling the stretch deepen through your hips and thighs. one last breath, releasing any lingering tension as we come to a gentle close. Great work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've helped your body recover, release tension, and set yourself up for better performance next time. Are you feeling good yet? Save this routine for after every game or practice, or check out another stretch session to stay flexible and strong. Recovery is key, so keep stretching, stay active, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go!